everyone. The video provides a clear and concise explanation of the Internet of Things lot and its significance in everyday life. It's effectively break down lot as a network of connect device and collect and exchange data, making it easier for users to monitor and optimize virus aspect of their life. The example of a smartwatch is particularly relatable as it demonstrates how that device help individuals track their health and make informed discussion. Moreover, the video highlight the key benefit of LAT, such as during reducing human effort and providing valuable data to enhance productivity, challenge, and energy efficiency. This is an important takeaway as LAT is increasingly shaping the way people interact with technology. However, and video could go further by addressing potential challenges such as a security risk and data privacy concern overall, and video serve as a good introduction to LAT, making it accessible to a broad audience. If encourage viewers to explore the technology further, which is essential given its growing role in modern life. Advantage of LAT: automation and efficiency. LAT reduces manual effort by automating tasks, making task process faster and more efficient. 2. Better decision making. The LAT with the capacity to gather and analyze data aids individuals and businesses in making informed discussion. 3. Cost saving. Smart device allow reduction and their energy use, reduce maintenance costs, and better manage resources. 4. Improve quality of life. Wearable health device, smart home, and connected transport enhance and convenience and well-being of daily life. Number 5. Enhance security. LAT-based surveillance and security system help monitor and protect homes and workplaces. Disadvantage of LAT: security. Number 1. Security privacy risk. LAT device collect sensitive data, so they become prime target of cyber attack and hacking. 2. Complexity and capability issues. Different device and platform might not work together seamlessly at all. Number 3. High initial deployment costs. The implementation of LAT infrastructure may not come economically for businesses and smart home system alike. Number 4. Job displacement. With automation and LAT, some jobs done by people will be replaced, resulting in concern for employment opportunities. 5. Reliability issues. LAT devices run completely on internet connectivity. One slight disturbance crashes their action. Personal insight. The Internet of Things undoubtedly shaping the future of technology and enhancing automation efficiency and connectivity. The ability to gather real-time data and automate process has revolutionized industries from healthcare to smart home personality. I find the improved quality of life that LAT offers particularly fascinating. Wearable health device of example are already helping people monitor vital signs and prevent health issues before they become critical. However, while the benefits of LAT are impressive, its disadvantage is some serious concern. Security and privacy risks remain the biggest challenge as cyber attack and data breaches could compromise personal and businesses information. Additionally, the reliance on internet connectivity makes LAT vulnerable. If the network fails to reduce the entire system, the potential for job displacement due to automation is another issue that needs to be addressed, as it could disrupt various industries. Overall, LAT is an exciting yet complex advantage. While its potential is vast, companies and individuals must find way to balance innovation with security, reliability, and ethical consideration. The future of LAT depends on how will we can address this challenge while maximizing its advantage. Conclusion. In conclusion, LAT is increasingly integrated into daily life, offering convenience, automation, and efficiency. While many people benefit from smart home device, wearable, and connect system, concern about privacy, security, and reliance on the internet might deter some user. The discussion to adopt LAT ultimately depend on individual needs, comfort with technology, and awareness. As LAT continues to evolve, its impact on everyday life will likely grow, shaping how people interact with their environment. Thank you.